Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I forgot to shoot an intro, surprise, surprise. And as you see, we are in the midst of a color correction. So when doing a color correction, I have one of two options. So number one, which is very rare, I don't like to do, and many people don't like doing it. Number one, for price reasons, and number two, because of the damage on the hair. I can do a whole day of 10 to 12 hours and do multiple steps. Start out with a color remover, bleach wash, then do a full highlight, a paint between. I've done a video on this on a redhead client just a couple of videos back. I'll link it down below in the description box. That could be the one way to tackle it, but we decided to do the easier, longer route, when err on the safe side, is doing a full highlight every 6 to 8 weeks, letting her hair heal in between each time, and it's easier on the wallet. So our first session, she was a level 1 black box dye that was overlapped only twice. It was very splotchy and a mess, but needless to say, I was very happy when she said it was only twice. It was music to my ears, truly. So we've already done 2 sessions, full highlights, and this is as far as we have gotten. Everyone's hair lifts differently and holds onto color differently. I am using my Ride or Die Goldwell Oxycur Lightener with 20 volume. We want to lift slow and safe and not melt our hair off. I love Oxycur for so many different reasons. It has the best consistency. It doesn't swell at all, but I also love it because it's very gentle on the hair but still packs a punch. I am going to pack these beautiful Framar holiday foils in tightly back to back, keeping my fingers crossed that we push through this brassy level 5, 6, 7.
Spot where you can see the city lights and the cliff drops up.
So I want you guys never to be scared when it comes to lightener, aka bleach. Sit and let it process. A lot of people get scared and start the timer right away as they apply, but the truth is you don't start counting the time until you're done applying all the foils.
Night through your eyeballs made of stone. You didn't care at all. I thought that if I asked nicely or politely, I'd get a bit of.
An average processing time for me is between 30 to 45 minutes, but if a client is resistant or we're kicking through old permanent box dye or remnants thereof, I am not scared to let them process for an hour, and I've even let some people process for an hour and 15 minutes before.
For this pain, baby, been in the dark, but now I think I finally know. I can see clearly now the karma's lazy. I can see clearly now what I've been chasing. I can see clearly now the time I'm wasting. I can see clearly now the karma's lazy. Bad things don't always happen to bad people. Forces that be, please get this unchecked evil. My hair's falling out while he plays with his kids. His loving wife who won't know what he did. Each day I'm getting more distant and shy, while he's out there living an untarnished life. Would I be glad if he ceased to exist? No, I'd still be fucked up, I wouldn't care at all. I thought that if I asked nicely or politely, I'd get a bit of quiet in my mind. I'm writing major big letters in the street, baby. I'm neon SOS is glowing in the streets, baby.
So we did a root shadow. She lifted so beautifully up here again. Ugh, fuck black dye. So we did 5N, 5NA, and we're smudging it down. Well, we're shadowing it down. And now for the next inch or two, I'm gonna do a straight 6T to make sure that we have depth in the base, because nothing is worse than having lighter hair at the root and orange and brassy on the ends. The root should always be darker. I'm leaving the money pieces out. Literally, she lifted beautifully. You can see right here for an example of where like it starts, like the orange, all down there where she used to have the black dye. This is what the real reality is. 3 sessions in, and she's like, it's so disgusting to me, because she would have been up here lifted to a perfect level 10. Like, she would have been that a long time ago. And this is why I want you guys to not use box dye and don't do any crazy, I'm gonna go black spontaneously. Think about it for a month. If you still want to do it, then do it. But like me, I use 3s. I never use 2 or 1 because it's ridiculous to get that out. So I did mix up the 6T in this one, and now I'm going to mix up her all over toner. So as her root shadow, 5N, 5NA Shades EQ was processing for about 10 minutes. I then took a mids toner, which is Shades EQ 6T, and blended it from the mids to the root and mids and down. This is gonna help bring everything from a darker color down to the lighter end. And when we did get to the ends, I mixed a concoction of Shades EQ 7N, 7T, 8GI, 8VB, 9N, 9V, 9M, 9NW, and 9GB. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 9 colors, and it came out beautiful. Look at this result, you guys. We have beautiful depth in the base area, but it transitions beautifully and seamlessly with her natural all the way down to the lighter ends. We are finally getting there. I am very happy with today's results. 1 or 2 more sessions and we'll be near her goal. Let me know down below what you guys think in the comment section. And as always, so long for now.
You've done, baby.